Welcome to Review Rumble. The best toddler plates is probably one of the most essential items for parents navigating the often messy and challenging world of feeding their little ones, offering a practical solution to prevent spills and keep mealtime frustration at bay, ensuring a more enjoyable and cleaner dining experience for both children and caregivers alike. Number 5. Munchkin Stay Put Suction Plates. Tired of food flying across the room during mealtimes? We have the perfect solution to keep your little one's meals contained and enjoyable. These plates feature a powerful suction base that grips firmly to most surfaces. This means less mess and more focus on eating for your baby or toddler. With 3 divided sections, it's easy to serve a variety of foods separately. This helps encourage picky eaters to try new things and keeps meals organized. Made from durable, baby-safe materials, you can trust these plates for everyday use. They are designed to withstand frequent washing and active mealtimes. Available in cheerful pink and purple, these plates add a touch of fun to your child's dining experience. Mealtime just got a little brighter. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply rinse or place them in the dishwasher. Spend less time scrubbing and more time with your little one. What we like? This plate offers 3 divided sections, perfect for keeping different foods separate. Its strong suction base ensures it stays put during mealtimes. If you have a picky eater who likes their food separated, this is a great choice. What people say. The plates have a strong suction cup that keeps them firmly in place on the high chair tray. The deep sides of the plates make it easier for toddlers to scoop up food without spilling. The plates are made of a durable, BPA-free material that is safe for children. Number 4. Munchkin Splash Toddler Divided Plate and Bowl Set. Introducing the Munchkin Splash Toddler Divided Plate and Bowl Set. This set is designed to make mealtime less messy and more enjoyable for your little one. You'll receive 2 divided plates and 2 bowls, all featuring non-slip bottoms to prevent spills. They are perfect for serving a variety of foods. With a modern and bright design, these dishes add a touch of style to your child's high chair. They come in 2 cheerful colors with white accents. The deep walls on these plates and bowls make scooping food easier for tiny hands. This helps promote independent eating. When it's time to clean up, these plates and bowls nest together neatly. This makes storage simple and saves space in your kitchen. Rest assured, this dining set is BPA-free and suitable for babies 6 months and older. It's a safe and practical choice for your growing toddler. What we like? This set comes with both divided plates and bowls, featuring no-slip bottoms and deep walls for easy scooping. They nest together for convenient storage. If you're looking for a comprehensive dining set that makes mealtime easier and tidier, this is ideal. What people say. These plates have a strong suction base that keeps them firmly in place on the high chair tray or table, preventing spills and messes. The deep sides of the plates make it easier for toddlers to scoop up food, reducing frustration during mealtimes. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, these plates are safe for your child and can withstand frequent use and washing. Number 3. EZPZ Mini Mat, Blue. Introducing the EZPZ Mini Mat in blue, designed for babies aged 6 to 12 months and older. It's the perfect companion for mealtime adventures. Made from 100% silicone, this mat features a powerful suction base. It sticks firmly to high chairs and tables, preventing spills and messes. The integrated divided plate has 3 compartments, making it easy to serve a variety of foods. It helps introduce new tastes and textures to your little one. This mat is ideal for supporting your baby's journey with baby-led weaning. The shallow compartments are perfectly sized for little hands to explore. Its versatile design makes it suitable for use on high chairs, tables, and even during travel. Cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. Crafted from durable, BPA-free silicone, it ensures safety and longevity. Enjoy stress-free mealtimes with this essential feeding tool. What we like? This is a silicone placemat with an integrated divided plate that suctions directly to the table. It's perfect for supporting baby-led weaning and is designed for high chairs, tables, and travel. If you are looking for a portable and easy-to-clean solution for feeding your baby, especially when on the go, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The plates have a strong suction cup that keeps them firmly in place on the high chair tray or table. The deep sides of the plate are great for helping toddlers scoop up food without making a mess. The silicone material is soft, durable, and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Number 2. Mr. Penn Silicone Suction Plates for Toddlers. Introducing our silicone suction plates, designed to make mealtime less messy. Perfect for little ones learning to self-feed, it helps keep food on the plate and not on the floor. Crafted from 100% food-safe silicone, this plate is completely free from BPA, PVC, phthalates, and lead. You can have peace of mind knowing your child is eating from a safe and healthy material. The strong suction base securely attaches to any smooth surface, like high chair trays. This feature is ideal for parents training their kids to eat independently, preventing accidental spills. We designed this plate to offer parents a convenient and hassle-free way to let their growing kids practice eating. It simplifies the self-feeding journey for both parent and child. This plate is not only microwave and dishwasher friendly but also resistant to odors and stains. These practical features make it an essential item for your little one's dining experience. Encourage independence at meal times with our specially designed plate. Its features support your child's development in learning to feed themselves with confidence. What we like. Made from 100% food-safe silicone, this plate features a strong suction base that attaches to smooth surfaces. It's also microwavable, dishwasher-friendly, and resistant to odors and stains. If you prioritize safety, convenience, and durability in your toddler's feeding gear, this is a must-have. What people say. The plates have a strong suction cup that keeps them firmly in place on the high chair tray or table, preventing spills and messes. The deep sides of the plates make it easier for toddlers to scoop up food, reducing frustration during meal times. The plates are made of durable, food-grade silicone that is safe for children and can withstand frequent use and washing. Number 1. 4-pack stainless steel toddler plates with suction, bare ear design. Tired of messy spills during mealtime? Our stainless steel plates with suction bases lock securely onto surfaces, making self-feeding easier for your little one. Crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel with silicone sleeves, these plates are designed to withstand drops. They feature 3 sections to keep foods separate and flavors distinct. Turn every meal into an adventure with our cute bare ear design. These divided plates encourage healthy eating habits and make mealtime enjoyable for toddlers. The double-layer insulation keeps the surface cool, reducing heat by 40%. Plus, the smooth stainless steel is easy to clean, and the detachable silicone sleeve is dishwasher safe. Lightweight and stackable, these plates are designed with rounded edges and easy grip handles. They ensure safe and comfortable use for your child. What we like. This set features durable stainless steel plates with a fun bare ear design and a removable silicone suction sleeve. The double-layer insulation reduces heat, and the divided sections prevent flavors from mixing. If you want a sturdy, engaging, and easy-to-clean plate that encourages healthy eating habits with a touch of fun, this is the one for you. What people say. The plates have a strong suction cup that keeps them firmly in place, preventing spills and messes. The divided sections are perfect for keeping different foods separate, which my toddler appreciates. They are made of durable, food-grade silicone that is safe for my child and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.